Today, we're taking a look at Grok 3, released by XAI on February the 17th. It's being described as one of the most powerful AI models out there. So let's unpack what that means. In just a bit, I'll walk you through a demo of how I used it for video idea research and a comparison with another AI model. You'd be surprised. Let's get started. According to XAI's launch video, Grok 3 was trained using over 100,000 units of NVIDIA H100 GPUs. It's designed with strong reasoning skills, capable of catching its own errors, correcting them, and exploring different approaches to solve problems effectively. Elon Musk also mentioned in a recent X post that Grok 3 has real-time knowledge, meaning it doesn't rely on a fixed cutoff date. That's a significant difference from many other AI models. In terms of performance, the live demonstration showed Grok 3 scoring at the top of benchmark tests, including high-level math, graduate-level science, and coding. It outperformed models like GPT-4o, DeepSeek v3, and Gemini 2 Pro. There was also a blind test in Chat Arena, where an early version of Grok 3 hit a score of 1,400, doing particularly well in following instructions and coding compared to its peers like Gemini 2 Pro, ChatGPT 4o, and DeepSeek R1. So how much is it gonna cost? Grok 3 is part of the X Premium Plus subscription, which runs at $40 per month. Or you can sign up for Super Grok, which is $30 per month. That said, XAI announced on February the 20th that it's available for free right now, though they noted this is temporary. In the post, they said, until the server melts. So if you're interested to try it, head to grok.com and sign in with an X or Google account. No telling how long the free access will last, so it's an option while it's still there. As a content creator, I'm interested in how Grok 3 might assist with my work, so I've got a little experiment lined up. I've prepared a video script from one of Tony Robbins' videos. Let's say I'm in his niche and want to research my target audience. So first, I'll feed Grok 3 the video script. Just click this icon and select the file. Then I'm giving Grok this prompt. Can you analyze the audience avatar for this script? What is their number one focus? What are their pain points? What is their long-term desire? Please present the answer in bullet point format. Let's see what we've got. We have a detailed analysis on the avatar. It has analyzed their age, their level of success, what they're interested in, and what their challenges are. So essentially, it's answering the question who they are. For the number one focus, it is achieving lasting fulfillment rather than temporary success, based on the script given. For pain points, there are 5, which are satiation and stagnation, dissatisfaction, fear of the unknown, short-lived joy, and self-doubt, each with detailed elaborations. For long-term desire, is suggesting they want to live a life of fulfillment and purpose. It's also given me detailed explanation. And then finally, it wrapped everything up with a closing paragraph. It's amazing that Grok 3 is able to pull all these details out from just one script. It's given me all the insights with detailed elaboration in an organized manner. I think it's done a pretty good job. Now I've got the avatar. I want to create content tailored to them. So I'm asking it this: if I'm to make a YouTube video targeting this avatar, could you suggest 5 video ideas? Please try to address their pain points and emphasize the transformation from who they were to who they want to be. Now let's dig into the video ideas. The first video title is Why Your Success Feels Empty and How to Fix It Forever. The first thing I noticed is that Grok 3 has followed my prompt very well. It includes both the pain points addressed and the transformation. For the concept, look at the hook. You hit your goals, new job, dream body, perfect relationship, but 6 weeks later, you're asking, is this it? It's exactly targeting the pain points of short-lived joy and dissatisfaction. And then it goes on to show me what to do in the video, like sharing a personal story, pivoting to the transformation, and ending with a challenge. So it's essentially teaching me how to create the whole video. I'm really impressed by how good it is. Let's look at the other video titles and hooks. The Dark Leap, How to Push Past Fear and Change Your Life. With the hook, what's scarier, staying in a life you hate or jumping into one you can't predict? Isn't that a very intriguing hook? Next, Stop Blaming the World, the truth that sets you free. With the hook, ever notice how it's always someone else's fault until it isn't? Next, the 7-year Itch, Reinvent Yourself Before It's Too Late. The hook, 5 to 7 years into anything, job, marriage, fitness, and it hits, this isn't enough anymore. Sound familiar? The last one, Happiness Isn't the Goal, this is, and it lasts longer. With the hook, goals make you happy for a month, then what? I'm amazed at how good these video ideas are. They're not just generic ideas, but they speak directly to the target audience emotional needs. What do you think? Do any of these titles stand out to you? Okay, next, I want to see how Grok 3 stacks up against another AI model. So I'm going to compare it with DeepSeek using the same prompts. DeepSeek shocked the world with its reasoning capabilities when it first came out. So it would be interesting to compare these two models. I'm now inside DeepSeek. I've attached the same video script and given it the same prompt. Let's see what I'll get. Okay, I've got the answers from DeepSeek. Let's see them side by side with Grok 3. First, let's compare the avatar analysis. From what I see, DeepSeek's answer isn't as detailed as Grok 3. The demographic analysis of the avatar is missing. DeepSeek presents its analysis in brief bullet points, while Grok 3 offers more elaborate explanations. In terms of the core insights, they are similar, just expressed differently. Both suggested that lasting fulfillment is the #1 focus. They have given me similar pain points like stagnation or feeling stuck, dissatisfaction, and fear of the unknown or uncertainty. For long-term desire, they are essentially saying similar things but in different wordings. Overall speaking, their avatar analysis is on point and both have given me useful insights. Moving on, let's get into the video ideas. Like Grok 3, DeepSeek has addressed the pain points and the transformation aspects as requested in my prompt. However, unlike Grok 3, it's missing the video concept part. You may be thinking, it's because I didn't make it clear in the prompt, but here's what's matter. Grok 3 is already thinking one step ahead. Regarding the titles, DeepSeek's suggestions feel less compelling. Look at the first one. How to escape the "is this all there is" trap? Reignite your purpose. Sounds somewhat awkward. For the rest of the titles like why success feels empty and how to fix it in 3 steps, breaking through plateaus, how to grow when life feels stuck. They are all usable, but for me, it would be better to have some refinement. On the contrary, Grok 3's video concepts feel more thoughtfully crafted. It's given me strong video hooks. I also like having the whole video concept mapped out. So far, Grok 3 is proving to be a valuable tool for content creation. I'm definitely interested in exploring its capabilities further and testing its limits. Do you know Grok 3 can create images too? It's an interesting feature you can't overlook. These images of Donald Trump generated just by a simple prompt. His face is very realistic. We can see so many details here. Also, look at these photos of Ronaldo playing chess with Messi. Does this photo remind you of the real photo they shot for LV? For cartoon characters, Grok 3 is also doing a very good job. Look at this. Apart from typing the prompt directly, there is also another way to generate an image. Let me attach an image downloaded from Leonardo. Then I ask it to create an image similar to it. It's replying me back what's in the image and ask me to confirm if I want to generate an image like this. After confirming I've got images like this, I can also modify the image by clicking the suggested prompt here. It's just so easy. And this is the modified version. And there you have it. After testing Grok 3 for a few days, it's fast and smart. It can get things done without you being a prompting expert. Have you tried Grok 3 yet? It's available for free for a limited time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel is all about helping content creators be more productive leveraging AI tools. I'll see you in the next video.